We have another plane. Last off, we left off with Southwest and Hawaiian. Let's get to JetBlue, the Neo JetBlue. Just like Southwest, this is the new version of JetBlue, not the old one. So it was kind of already open, like the side that was cool. And this is the first one we have, which the contents thing that holds it is blue. So let's get, you know, the usual. We have a unique middle thing again this time. One we haven't had before. Like, you know, we've had the buses and the tray, not the tray, the alternative way to deliver and drop off passengers. Arrival, departure, MB runway tag. Orange road cones. Oof. All right, let's move. JetBlue. Oop. We have a head sign. Usual. All right, here's our unique thing. I don't know what this is. I have a guess. This is kind of hard to get out. Apparently something's attached to it and it came out. Oh, I see. Oh, it's not broken. Oh, you're gonna be able to connect it to other things that I bet I don't have yet. Oh, wait, is this one of the things where you like hook it to the plane and you like lead it? I gotta test that later. Well, not later, like pretty soon. And the plane. Go sneeze. JetBlue. See if the stickers on good. Stickers, pretty good quality, this one. I like it. Different shape of the tips of the wing. All right, but I want to test this. Will this work? So I think I hook it. How do I hook this thing? If it will. Oh, it kind of hooks like a little snap. And then I go ahead and see if it works. Wow! I can do a little turn. Ooh, a sharp turn. And then I just snap it. That was really cool. That's JetBlue.